Subscribe now. Google's been seriously stepping up its smartphone game ever since the launch of the Pixel last year, and for its second generation of handsets, we're no longer just choosing between a big and a little model, but also between a Pixel with a conventional versus a new ultra-wide display. But the Pixel 2 XL with its big face-filling screen isn't the only new smartphone of its kind to just hit the block, and Apple's grabbing headlines with a super widescreen phone of its own, the new iPhone X. How do these two late 2017 flagships stack up against each other? Let's take a look. Design. The iPhone X feels like an iPhone should, sleek and sophisticated. The move to a glass back this year may make the handset a bit smudge-prone, but the choice of material at least feels very nice in the hand. The Pixel 2 XL, meanwhile, gets a lot of its visual cues from the original Pixel lineup, especially the two-tone back. Here, though, we're treated to an interesting new use of metal with a unique, almost ceramic-like texture. Around front, Google's bezels aren't nearly as uniform as Apple's, but that does leave room for front-facing stereo speakers flanking the screen's top and bottom. Display. While these are both screens that stretch beyond the standard 16:9 widescreen ratio, and both are built on OLED technology, that's where the similarities end, and in everything from screen shape, to size, to resolution, we are looking at two different panels. Apple's iPhone X display is bright and beautiful, offering accurate color reproduction and excellent readability in sunlight. The Pixel 2 XL's screen isn't anywhere near as bright, though it's far from the dimmest phone we've run into lately. Performance. Both these phones are equipped with some of the highest-end processors available on their respective platforms, a Snapdragon 835 for the Pixel 2 XL, and Apple's own A11 Bionic chip in the iPhone X. They're also on similar, if slightly unequal footing in terms of memory, with the Pixel 2 XL scoring 4GB to Apple's 3GB. You have your choice of storage capacity when buying these phones. Both start at 64GB, and while the Pixel 2 XL adds a 128GB option, Apple one-ups that with 256GB available. No matter which you decide on, though, that's all she wrote, as neither of these two offer microSD card expansion. That's all you need to know about Google Pixel 2 XL and iPhone X. Which one is better?